What's up, you guys? I am here in the house and we are finally doing our drywall tour. So drywall is up, I think everywhere but the master closet, and we're gonna give you the whole tour right now with Nick, and he's very happy about it, right?
Woo! All right, so if you're new to our channel, in February of 2020 this year, we bought a house up in South Dakota near my parents, and that was after a year of full-time traveling in our fifth wheel. We did all the southern states and most of the Midwest states, but for some reason we saw this house in February and said, we need to buy that. And it was pretty lucky because that's when the whole virus came out and everyone had to hunker down, so we were really thankful that we were here.
Yes.
But from day one, it was like 3 months of demo, like a whole month of foundation work. The house is 120 years old, stone foundation. Plaster walls, and if you know what plaster walls are, you know they're evil.
We have stained glass.
Yeah, stained glass,
Very
like
cool.
A lot of really old things that either had to be updated,
ripped
out or fixed. So quick tour, brand new front door. The other one, it wasn't the original one. It may have been, I don't know, but it was cracked and it needed to come out. So new door. These are the original windows. This was the front living room. It still is the front living room. But what we did was we opened up this entire side of the house. There used to be walls here, and you would walk through an entryway. We took that all down and had these big LVL beams installed. And there were also walls here where you had to walk through to get to the kitchen. We had those taken down and had more LVLs installed. Woo. Cool.
Hi, Des. Hey, you come back here. All right.
This is Des. This is Cozy.
Hey.
This is where the original kitchen was, so we kept it here. It has an awesome little kitchen window, and we had to get all new electricity installed, all new walls, drywall, the entire house needed drywall. So if you're looking, there's gonna be cabinets right here, refrigerator, there's gonna be a big island right here in the middle. So with the kitchen being right there, right here is going to be sort of like a middle dining room. We're gonna have our big dining room table right here that we're gonna custom make. And what we're gonna be doing is finding really antique wood, and we're gonna be having this big dining table made. It's gonna be nice. Yeah, couch is gonna be, we've got a big L couch, so it'll probably, by this window, wrap around right here, and we made the TV wall right here. Now, we wish the TV wall was bigger. I think we can have like a 65-inch TV on here. We've never had a 65-inch TV. I think we've had a 30-inch TV, but it's kind of nice. It'll be, maybe we'll get a TV. But this is where the electric fireplace is going to be. I'm really excited for that. It's a big 50-inch. It's gonna be nice. All right, and this is bedroom number 1. Now, the house was originally a 2-1. We're making it into a 3-2. And our first thought was, let's build up into the attic. And we did a lot of demo. We tried to make it work. Ended up deciding, you know what, we're not gonna build up. So now we're in the process of putting it all back in. It's actually gonna be a lot stronger than it was, so we're taking care of it. It's gonna look good. This room has the highest ceilings. So it's the original, like 13 feet high ceilings. And we're planning on doing a shiplap ceiling. We're gonna be doing wainscoting in this bedroom, and really that's it. Now, being the new bedroom 2, it used to be really, really small. But what we did was we had to take out a wall right here, had LVL beams installed, and we got this room another 3.5 feet, which it needed. And this is where the original bathroom was. So we're putting that back in. And the master closet is gonna take about half this space. The rest of it's gonna be bathroom number 1. And then right here, which is currently storage, this is going to be the master bath. I've got a lot of different layout ideas for this. I'm not going to get to it yet. I'm actually having somebody come in. We got to get permits for all this as well, so we're going to have a plumber come in, electrician come in, and I'll try to do as much as I can, but I really want to move in, so I want to get it done fast. Really exciting thing is, I just rewired the thermostat. It was a really old thermostat. And I just installed the Nest. It's great. Look, I want it down to 70. So look, it's saying in 55 minutes, you're gonna be at 70 degrees. And it's going to keep it at 70 till 4:30 p.m. And then it's gonna take itself back up to conserve energy. What do you think? Back in the kitchen, this is where the original bathroom was. In our dream home, we're not gonna have the bathroom right off the kitchen. It'll be down the hallway or something. But it's a small house. So you're gonna walk in, hello. You're gonna have a vanity. There's gonna be a wall here. Vanity, toilet, tub shower. And then, as we come in here, this is another room. It's about 18 by 16 feet. This was an addition that was added on before we got it. And what's gonna happen is, this is where the water heater is. This whole area right here is going to become a laundry room. Stackable laundry. We have a hatch that goes down to the basement. Doesn't need to be there, but we're making it easy for sleeping. And then there, right here is going to be a, 14 by 10 third bedroom right here. It's gonna have its closet in here. You're gonna walk in right about here. Closet, bedroom. Yeah. It looks big. It doesn't look as big as it's supposed to be, but it actually is. It's about 14 feet. And really, when you come in this little side door right here, this is gonna be a bedroom. You're gonna have a closet right here. It's gonna be just the most beautiful tile that my wife picks out and makes me install. I'm real excited. And that's really it for the inside. Let's go check out the outside. Now, my favorite part. So as we come out of this side, sort of back door, side door, backyard kind of door, what we're gonna walk out is, right now, it's just a concrete patio. It's really loud. It's Sturgis week for the big Sturgis motorcycle rally. So there's hundreds of thousands of motorcycle guys here. And it's really loud. You can kind of hear it just rumble through the valley. But it's kind of cool. So if you can hear me over the motorcycles, as we come out of this side door, there's gonna be just a beautiful big wooden deck. It's gonna go from there, it's gonna come all the way out to here. Hot tub is gonna be right about here. Really excited for this. And it's gonna continue all the way down there, where the old side door used to be. There's not a door there anymore. There's gonna be a big privacy fence right here with a gate, which splits the front yard from the backyard. And once you come back here, you have a little bit of storage, like a little shed thing right here. And this is all big, yeah, big deck. It's gonna be awesome.
Thanks for watching our tour of our little renovation, our flip, and we're gonna keep doing this and keep making videos, so stick around and watch. And I think our next video will be probably when drywall's done and we're putting in the kitchen. That will be a good video. So that's
hopefully
what we'll do
next week.
Hopefully next week. Yeah, maybe.
We've been saying that for 6 months.
So probably when we're putting in kitchen and bathrooms, we'll do another video so you can kind of see our design. So thanks for watching and follow along on our crazy family journey.
But hey, we got to take the next 4 days off. We're heading to Billings. We're gonna go hang out with the Dashleys, with Grandma Trish and Nala the dog. Is that what we call her?
Yes.
And we're gonna try to kidnap her, and if not, then we're probably gonna get a dog as well.